What if the problems you face aren't just yours? What if they're echoes of a 3,500-year-old story? Around 1500 BC, a global event shifted human consciousness. Amidst worldwide cataclysm, we experience separation from the gods, from the creative source of all there is. We have been living in a kind of degraded fast food restaurant ever since. Today, I believe an equally profound shift is underway to a new state people call unity consciousness, or the fifth dimension. And you're feeling it. Troubles Away helps you navigate this shift. We provide practical, body-first protocols to reset your state, clear old beliefs, and step into the kitchen of creation. We combine in-depth historical research with personal experience. The Troubles Away Daily Reset Checklist, your 10-minute daily guide on how to step into the ecstasy of your true nature, the Merkaba mental workouts, cultivating a positive emotional state, hard exercise, and more. With relief, you discover you are not who you think you are. As the illusion fades, you find yourself naturally joyous. You learn the world is not full of things but of space. You learn fulfilling your desires is not so much about hard work as the cultivation of this space. Troubles Away helps you shed the old and relax into this new state of being. The Power of Many app. A free app where a growing field of users support the realization of your goals and you help catalyze the global change now underway. My books, Wake Up, The Human Journey Beyond Cataclysm and Secret Never Told, provide the deeper context behind this incredible journey. Imagine feeling more alive, more confident, creating the life you truly want while participating in this global transformation. Start your shift today. Download the free Power of Many app and grab the Troubles Away Daily Reset Checklist. Links are on screen and in the description. It's a new day. The past is gone. Anything is possible.